In this lecture, I am going to tell you about the external and internal structure of leaf, its upper epidermis, lower epidermis, palisade cells, and spongy mesophyll cells, and also stomata, guard cells. The leaf, it's the nature's food making factory. It is the organ where photosynthesis occurs and where other food substances are made, such as fats and proteins. These substances eventually become the food of all other living organisms, either directly or indirectly. A close examination of leaf shows that it is indeed well adapted to its function of making food. As a matter of fact, all living things they depend upon plants, and the basic food preparation is for all living things is done in the leaf, and then all other living organisms they take their food from leaf in any form. Now we come to the external structures of a simple dicotyledonous leaf. Now over here you must not confuse between dicotyledonous word. This we will explain afterwards. Leaf has a blade or lamina. It is attached to the stem by petiole. Now it's adaptation. Petiole holds the leaf away from the stem to obtain sufficient sunlight for photosynthesis. Lamina has large flat surface compared to its volume to obtain large sunlight. A thin expanded lamina enables carbon dioxide to reach rapidly to inner cells of the leaf. Midrib branches to veins carry water and mineral salts to cells of leaf and carry manufactured food from leaf to other parts of the plants when needed. Now, if you remember photosynthesis, you know that in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight combine to form a glucose molecule and energy. So, a leaf needs carbon dioxide and also it needs water. And as you can see from the structure, water and mineral salts are coming through midrib, that is from the roots, and carbon dioxide is coming from the air, which enters the leaf through stomata, which we are going to discuss afterwards, later on in this lecture. Now, in internal structure of leaf, a transverse section of leaf shows that lamina on either side of the midrib has an upper epidermis. Upper epidermis is made up of a single layer of closely packed cells covered with a waxy layer of cuticle. Cuticle, it protects the leaf, prevents excessive evaporation of water, focuses the sunlight onto the mesophyll layers. Mesophyll layer lies just below the upper epidermis. This is the main site of photosynthesis. Mesophyll is recognized by namely palisade tissue and spongy tissue or spongy mesophyll. Now, palisade tissues. It consists of one or two more layers of closely packed, long and cylindrical cells with long axes at right angles to the epidermis. Now, this arrangement increases number of cells packed in a line. They have numerous chloroplasts which enables them to absorb maximum sunlight. Spongy tissue, it's also called spongy mesophyll. These cells are irregular in shape and are loosely arranged so that they have numerous intercellular air spaces among them. They also contain chloroplasts. Now we have lower epidermis. It consists of a single layer of closely packed cells covered by an outer layer of cuticle. It contains minute openings called stomata. It is bounded by two guard cells. Now this was the structure of the leaf and the function of guard cells. We'll talk about this in a later lecture. Viewers, if you like my biology lectures, please do comment, share, like and subscribe my channel.